Understanding functions in programming.
The functions are reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks in a program. They help organize your code by breaking it into smaller, manageable parts. By using functions, you can avoid repeating code and make your programs easier to read and maintain. Learning about functions is one of the first steps to becoming a better programmer.
Why are functions important?
Functions make your code more efficient and organized. Instead of writing the same set of instructions multiple times, you write a function once and call it whenever you need it. This saves time, reduces errors, and makes your code easier to update in the future. Functions also help separate different tasks, which improves code clarity.
How do functions work?
A function usually has a name, a set of instructions, and sometimes takes inputs called parameters. When you want the function to do its job, you use its name to call it. The function processes any input, performs its instructions, and often provides a result called a return value back to your code.
Writing a simple function.
Here's a basic example in Python. You can define a function called greet that prints a message. Def greet, print hello world. Whenever you call greet, it prints hello world. This simple approach works similarly in most programming languages, though the exact syntax may vary.
Tips for using functions effectively.
Use functions for tasks you need to repeat or that work best when grouped together. Give each function a clear name that describes its purpose. Keep functions focused. Each should do one thing well. This not only helps you, but also anyone else who reads your code. Experiment with functions to gain confidence in using them.